What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen, episode 7. Today, we're gonna switch it up on them. We're gonna make a little bit of a dessert. All you need is Nutella, an egg, and some flour, and you're done. And you throw it in the microwave for a minute, and you got yourself some chocolate cake. Some hazelnut chocolate cake, actually. If you're sitting real nice for some nice brownie surprise, it's a minute long, guys. Just do it. Just do it. What you're gonna need to start making the Nutella mug cake. So to get started, we're gonna put all the ingredients, mix it up, put it in the mug, and then throw it in the microwave for a minute, and we be eating good. So when you're done mixing this thing, it should give you the consistency of nice thick brownie batter. Oh my Lanta, look at that. All right, we're gonna throw this in the microwave for a minute and we're gonna mug. Time to eat. Ooh, look at that brownie, it's ready to eat. Oh, hot! All right, to finish this off, you can do ice cream, whatever, but I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of powdered sugar, boy. Come on. Ooh, yeah, boy. Uh-oh. Yeah, look at that. It's a little sloppy, but you know, it gets the job done. Cheers. I mean, look at that. It's just a little brownie in here. Look at that steam. Oh, it's fogging the camera. Oh, baby, that's beautiful. Woo. That got me excited. Dang, come on. That is some good brownie action. Wow. Hey, dude, that's on my teeth, dude. That was literally so easy. And this is so moist. I'm literally gonna crush this whole mug full of brownie, dude. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the brownie. You know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.